A hard reset, also known as a force factory reset, completely erases all data on your Samsung phone and restores it to its original factory state. This includes apps, photos, contacts, and settings. You should use a hard reset when your phone is stuck in a boot loop where it keeps restarting endlessly, or if the screen is completely frozen and unresponsive. It's also useful if you've forgotten your passcode and other recovery methods like Find My Mobile or Google account recovery have failed. The hard reset works by bypassing the operating system entirely. It uses hardware buttons to access recovery mode directly, which is a low-level system that doesn't require the Android interface to function. This makes it effective even when the software is completely unresponsive. However, remember this important warning. A hard reset permanently erases all your data with no way to recover it. Always back up your important files first and only use this method as a last resort when all other troubleshooting options have been exhausted. As shown in this recovery menu, the hard reset provides a reliable way to restore your Samsung phone when software issues prevent normal operation. But it's a powerful tool that should be used carefully. The standard method involves pressing and holding specific buttons simultaneously. Typically, this is the power button, volume down button, and the Bixby button or side key on newer models like the Galaxy S24 and later. Some older A-series phones may have used volume up instead of volume down, but this is less common now. We will demonstrate with this key combination, but be ready to search online for your specific model if this doesn't work. First, power off your phone if possible. Then press and hold the power, volume down, and Bixby or side buttons simultaneously. Hold them for about 7 to 10 seconds until the Samsung logo appears. Once you see the logo, release the buttons. Your phone should boot into recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, use the volume up and volume down buttons to navigate the menu options. Scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Use the power button to select this option. Confirm your selection when prompted, usually by selecting Yes. Be absolutely sure you want to do this, as it will erase all data. After confirming the reset, the phone begins the process. This may take a few minutes. Once complete, you'll be back at the main recovery mode menu. Select Reboot System Now to restart your phone. The first boot after a hard reset may take longer than usual. Before performing a hard reset, ensure your phone has at least 50% battery charge to prevent the process from being interrupted midway. Back up your important data if possible, as the hard reset process is completely irreversible and will erase all personal information, photos, and apps from your device. Remember that this hard reset method is designed to fix software issues like frozen screens or forgotten passwords. It cannot repair physical hardware damage, such as a cracked display or faulty camera. Be aware that misusing the hard reset feature can void your device's warranty. Only perform this when your phone is completely unresponsive and other troubleshooting methods have failed. While button-based hard resets remain a reliable last resort for Samsung Galaxy devices, the company is evolving towards more advanced solutions. Samsung is moving towards AI-driven diagnostics and software-based reset options that can resolve many issues without hardware intervention. Future trends point to virtual recovery modes accessible through software interfaces and cloud-linked resets that can restore devices seamlessly while preserving data security. For now, hardware button resets remain crucial, especially for offline troubleshooting when internet access is unavailable and for security-critical scenarios requiring complete data erasure.